In the last video, we set up a semi-functional, it's not quite exact, to the amount of zombies that spawn each round. Like I said, we're going to change it. But in this one, what we're going to do is we're going to limit the amount that can actually be on the map at once. So what I want to do is I want to take our zombie game state. I want to times it for testing. Let's do 3, so 4, 8. And let's see. So we're just going to be testing with one person. We have 4, so 4, 8, 9, 18. Okay, so we're going to test with times 3. So 9 times 3 is 27. That's greater than 24. So that'll work. So set zombie state multiplied by 3. Not zombie state, zombies remaining. I don't know what I was thinking there. And now we need to figure out how many zombies are currently on the map. So what we can do is in Nazi zombie game state, can I get the zombies on map, but we don't have any way to add that. All we're doing is simply setting it in the constructor, and we don't even have a function to return it. So I'm going to do void get zombies on map. And I want to make another function. It's going to be void zombie spawned. Actually, I need to change the return type of get zombies on map. That's going to return a uint 8. So get zombies on map. What we're going to do is return zombies on map, like so. Then for every time a zombie spawns, we're going to do plus plus zombies on map. And every time a zombie, let's see, we don't want to do it every time a zombie is killed. Or do we? We'll find out. So, zombie killed, going to subtract zombies on map. I'm going to get rid of this log and zombie killed. And for get zombies on map, I'm simply going to return. So zombies on map. And I'm struggling with that. Zombies on map. So that way we can see the zombies that are on the map. So now in our game mode, let's go to our zombie spawn. Here we have our spawn for the zombies. We're going to take, what's it called? If zombie game state, do zombie game state, zombie spawned. That way it'll increment the zombies on the map variable. And we're already having it decrement every time a zombie gets killed based off of this function call here, zombie killed. So now we should hopefully have a rough control of the zombies that are spawned. So we have a getter. So what I'm going to do is if zombies remaining is greater than 0 and zombie game state zombies get zombies on map is less than or equal to. And what that's going to be less than or equal to is our little max, whatchamacallit. Where is it? It's in the calculate. Is the max zombies on map at once. So in order to do that, I'm simply going to copy this little section here and move it up like so. So then I'm going to do a simple check. So if zombie game state, I'm going to wrap everything inside of it. And set zombie game state, get zombies on map is less than or equal to max zombies on map at once. This all needs to be moved in. Then clean you up. Right, then I can get rid of this if statement check for if the zombie game state's valid because I'm doing it up here. So we're good there. So we're not using player cap. Maybe a constant. Never mind. Okay. So if the zombies remaining is greater than 0, meaning there's more to spawn, and the amount of zombies that are on the map are less than the maximum amount of zombies on the map at once, we can go ahead and spawn. Otherwise, we will do nothing, but we do not want to pause it. So that I need to change. So else if zombies remaining is less than or equal to 0, then I want to stop the timer. So now let's compile. Once it actually does compile. Good grief. There we go. About time. Guess I don't need that open anymore either. Alrighty, let's give it a try. So we should have a total of 24 on the map at once. And we should be able to figure that out at round 2. Okay, jump up here. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And that's all. Zombies on map. 254. I don't think that's right. So let's look into it. Max zombies on map at once. Let's actually just reduce this to 5 just for the sake of testing. Or actually, let's do 3. No, 2. And let's get rid of the this kind of check here inside of spawn zombies. So max zombies on map is just set to 2. Then inside of our calculate, what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the multiplier of 3 for our zombies remaining so that way we can test a little bit better. And now we need to figure out what's going on with our zombies on map. So each time a zombie spawns, we increment it. So spawn zombies, zombie state, zombie spawned, only if it's valid. Why did it jump so high is what I'm wondering. So zombie spawned, I'm gonna go ahead and print out new zombies on map. And same thing, I'm gonna remove it out of get zombies on map and move it to zombies killed. So hopefully this will allow us to somewhat diagnose where the issue is. Okay, let's check out the log. Zombies on map, 1, 2, 3. So we're supposed to have a total of 4. So that's slightly off, so we shoot 1. And here's the other one. So there's the 4th. I'll get rid of these. Now let's see what happens to zombies on map. Zombies on map, 1, 2, 3. Okay, I guess it's just working for whatever reason now. So I'm not exactly sure what the issue there was. So going back to our spawn zombies, I'm going to uncomment our max zombies on map calculation. Yeah, 24, not 2. So let's give it a try. Actually, to make this equal to 24, we need to subtract 1 from it. So -1, because it's starting at 0. And this will give us the better result. 11 minutes so far. Trying to keep just about every video under 20 minutes, and 15 if I can help it. Now we need to actually get up to 24, which I should really decrease the round time. So 1 second. No, 2 seconds. And this one's just going to be working our way up to round 5, where it actually hits 24. And then we go to round 6, and it's, well, actually I can just test with 2 players. That'll increase it. All right, so here's 4. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay. So now we should have a total of 21. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Zombies remaining is 3. So something has broken. So it shows zombies on map is 254. So let's try to find where it does that. Zombies on map, map 255, zombies on map 0. Okay, so zombies on map is not tracking correctly when, so it's pretty much hitting 0, and it is going back to its max value of 255. So that is something we're going to have to fix. So we know the kind of basic setup's working. We just need to fix our our zombies on map. So that's what we're going to do in the next video. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this one here. We'll fix this in the next video, and we will continue on. So I will see you then.